Intro. Welcome to ZK Mobile. In today's video, we're diving into the latest tech marvel, the Samsung Galaxy X25. Let's explore its standout features and see if this device is the perfect fit for you. Design display. The Samsung Galaxy X25 offers a sleek and modern design with a premium build quality. Featuring a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, it delivers vibrant colors and deep contrasts, perfect for media consumption and gaming. The minimal bezel design gives a more immersive viewing experience, making it stand out in the crowded smartphone market. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy X25 is powered by the latest Snapdragon chipset, paired with ample RAM for seamless multitasking. Whether you're running demanding apps or switching between multiple tasks, the X25 ensures smooth performance. Coupled with an optimized operating system, the device delivers a fast and efficient user experience. Camera capabilities. Photography enthusiasts will love the Galaxy X25's camera setup. It boasts a 64MP primary sensor, along with an ultra-wide and macro lens. This versatile camera system captures stunning photos in various conditions, whether in daylight or low-light environments. The front camera, equipped with advanced high features, ensures your selfies are sharp and vibrant. Battery charging. Battery life on the Galaxy X25 is impressive, with a 5000 mAh capacity that can easily last throughout the day on a single charge. Fast charging support ensures that you spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. It's perfect for users who are always on the go. Conclusion. To sum up, the Samsung Galaxy X25 combines performance, camera quality, and battery efficiency into a single package that's hard to beat. Whether you're upgrading or purchasing your first Samsung device, this one is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching ZK Mobile.